Hey there, design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, where we dive deep into the world of beautiful homes. Today, we're stepping into a realm of pure enchantment, the world of cottage house design, and discover cozy interiors to charming exteriors of cottage house. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. There's something undeniably magical about a cottage. It evokes images of storybook charm, cozy nights by the fire, and a connection to nature. But what exactly is cottage house design? At its heart, cottage design is all about creating a warm, inviting, and unpretentious space. It draws inspiration from traditional rural dwellings, emphasizing natural materials, handcrafted details, and a sense of timelessness. Think exposed beams, floral prints, vintage finds, and a touch of whimsy. It's a style that embraces imperfection and celebrates the beauty of simplicity. Now, you might be wondering, with so many design styles out there, why should you choose cottage design? Well, there are so many reasons. First, it's incredibly comforting and relaxing. The cozy atmosphere is perfect for unwinding after a long day. Second, it's a style that's inherently personal and expressive. You can easily incorporate your own unique treasures and create a space that truly reflects your personality. And third, it's a timeless style that never really goes out of fashion. So, how do you actually decorate a cottage to make it look its absolute best? Here are a few key elements to keep in mind. First, embrace natural materials. Think wood floors, exposed brick, and stone fireplaces. Second, use a soft color palette. Opt for muted tones like creams, whites, soft greens, and pale blues. Third, layer textiles. Add warmth and texture with rugs, throws, and cushions in floral prints, stripes, or plaids. Fourth, incorporate vintage finds. Hunt for unique treasures at flea markets, antique shops, and thrift stores. Fifth, bring the outdoors in. Fill your space with plants, flowers, and natural elements like branches and pine cones. Sixth, focus on comfort. Prioritize cozy seating, soft lighting, and a welcoming atmosphere. Seventh, don't be afraid of clutter, but keep it organized. Cottage style embraces a bit of organized chaos. Display your favorite collections, but keep things tidy. Eighth, mix and match patterns. Don't be afraid to combine different floral prints, stripes, and plaids. The key is to choose patterns that complement each other. Ninth, add architectural details. If possible, consider adding architectural details like crown molding, wainscoting, or exposed beams. 10th, create a focal point. Every room should have a focal point, such as a fireplace, a large window, or a statement piece of furniture. Now, let's talk about the exterior. What are the best facade styles for a cottage house? Some classic choices include 1. Thatched roofs. These are iconic and add a touch of fairy tale charm. 2. Stone or brick exteriors. These materials give a sense of solidity and timelessness. 3. Shingle siding. This is a popular choice for coastal cottages. 4. Board and batten siding. This style adds a touch of rustic charm. 5. Flower boxes and window boxes. These add a pop of color and bring the garden closer to the house. Alright, now for the grand finale. Here these the collection of the top 10 enchanting cottage house design ideas to inspire you. 1. The classic English cottage. Think thatched roofs, climbing roses, and cozy interiors with fireplaces. Timeless charm and tranquility. Visuals. Show images of stone cottages with thatched roofs, rose bushes, and cozy interiors. 2. The coastal cottage. Light, airy, and breezy. Shingle siding, nautical accents, and a relaxed seaside vibe. Visuals. Show images of shingle-sided cottages with ocean views and light, airy interiors. 3. The woodland cottage. Rustic and natural. Wood and stone exteriors, blending seamlessly with the forest. Visuals. Show images of cottages surrounded by trees, with wood and stone features. 4. The modern cottage. A fresh take on tradition. Clean lines, open layouts, and contemporary touches. Visuals show images of cottages with modern windows and a mix of modern and traditional elements. 5. The rustic cottage. Embracing imperfection. Exposed beams, stone fireplaces, and vintage finds. Visuals show images of cottages with rustic features like exposed beams and weathered furniture. 6. The garden cottage. Indoor-outdoor living. Lush gardens, patios, and interiors filled with plants. Visuals show images of cottages surrounded by gardens with patios and lots of greenery inside. 7. The cozy cottage. Intimate and inviting. Small spaces, soft lighting, and plush textiles. Visuals show images of small, cozy interiors with soft lighting and comfortable furniture. 8. The colorful cottage. Vibrant and playful. Bold colors, patterns, and cheerful decor. Visuals show images of cottages with bright colors and playful patterns. 9. The French country cottage. Elegant and sophisticated. Soft palettes, ornate details, and a refined feel. Visuals show images of cottages with elegant furniture and soft, muted colors. 10. The storybook cottage. Whimsical and enchanting. Curved lines, arched doorways, and fairy tale details. Visuals show images of cottages with whimsical architectural details. So, there you have it. A deep dive into the enchanting world of cottage house design. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own cozy and charming retreat. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more design tips and inspiration. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best cottage house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.